Hello, my students, my friends. Today, as we know, it's a full moon night, as it's called snow moon as well, 27th of Feb. I really want you to meditate, okay? So, what you can do, as you can see, just top of my head, full moon. So, I want you to do few things, okay? First thing is just take a salt water warm bath, okay? Then you sit in a place where it's really peace, okay? So, and the third thing, you start scanning your body. Scanning your body as in just feel your Shastra chakra from top of your head. Start feeling the silver light till tip of your toes, okay? This thing you have to do and keep on scanning. So from top of the head you come down to tip of your toes, and from tip of your toes to top of your head. But make sure that you're scanning in each and every part of your body. You just need to observe what is happening there. You don't have to get involved in it, okay? After that, once you feel the vibration, feel the five elements. Which are the five elements? The first is fire, Agni. Second is Vayu, air. Third is space, Akash. Fourth is earth, Dharti. And the fifth is water, Jal. So try to feel those elements inside your body. You will feel the warmness, or you can feel the watery sensation. You can feel somewhere space. You can even feel somewhere air. Just feel those sensations, okay? So keep on observing. Once you feel that, you will feel either you will feel a lot of heaviness in your body, or else you will feel lightness in your body. So it's just be into that. Do not get involved. Just be detached from your body and be a witness, and keep on looking at your body in this way. And but do not get involved in that pain or pleasure of the body. You should feel like you're just a witness to your body. Just experience what is happening inside your body, okay? So do this thing. At the end, if you want to chant, you can chant Om Chandraya Namaha according to you, 11 to 108, 108 times you can chant Om Chandraya Namaha. If you don't want to use this mantra, you can just do the humming bee sound, which is keep on feeling those sensation in your body. This will help you to heal your each and every cells of your body, and you will feel really very fresh after doing this. I just came out of my meditation and I'm really feeling so overwhelmed, and it's like I'm feeling very calm and relaxed. And the next thing is, after you complete this, make sure that you say to yourself that let the all beings be happy. Feel those silver light passing from the top of your head to your entire body, and let that vibration travel across your room, across your society. Feel the vibration moving across your country and across the globe universe. And let always say this, let all beings be happy, with pure intention. If you still have grudges for anybody, then don't do it. It's not for them. If you have any for anyone, you feel that yeah, see this, I'm not happy with you, then you don't do it. You should be very pure with your intentions when you sit for the meditation. So please do this, and I'm really sure you're going to feel good. And at the end, yes, one more thing, you have to train your subconscious mind. So in between, when you're scanning your body, just give instruction to your subconscious mind, just manifest it. So what is the manifestation? Just say to yourself, I want to be happy, healthy, strong. If you have some dreams with good intention, okay, with that purity, just say that dream, I want this to be done this way, and it's already happening. So say it in a present tense. As we know, present is our future. So whatever you want to go for it, just say that statement in a present continuous form. So let's do it, and let me know how you feel about it. Thank you so much. Namaste. God bless you.